How to add torch to home screen iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Shortcuts application on your phone. Over here, from the library page, tap on the plus icon at the top right to add to Shortcuts. Now, from the pop-up, tap on the search bar to search for torch and select the share button from the bottom panel. The torch shortcut is a quick way to turn on the flashlight using a preset action. Then, select Add to Home Screen and tap on that icon again to confirm. You can now see the torch shortcut on your home page. So, you can easily turn on the torch in your phone from this shortcut. This way, you get more control over your experience with the device and how you use it. Following these steps, you can easily add torch to the home screen on your phone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.